Here, the one very interesting question most of the people they have, that why should I use the AFM? Why I cannot do the SCM? Why I cannot do the TM? So I just make the one comparison sheet. So you may have the clear idea that what AFM can do and what other cannot do. For example, like if you can discuss about the profilometer, optical microscopy, yeah, confocal microscopy, yeah, scanning electron microscopy. So if you can discuss about the resolution in term of a small molecules, so profiler they can look up to 1 micron. Optical they can go up to 0.5 micron. The confocal microscopy go up to 170 nanometers. SEM they can go 2 nanometer, but 2 nanometer is big challenge for them. Okay, they can the general SEM they can do only up to the 10 nanometers, but AFM they can go 0.1 nanometer. 0.1 nanometer up to the atomic resolution also, the size of atoms. So that is the beauty of AFM, which other equipment cannot do very easily. That's still it is in the market, the AFM.